I'll be here any minute, so I'll see you later tonight.
Jen? Babe, I really wish you'd stop hanging out with her.
We've been friends since middle school. What do you want me to do?
Look, she's not a good friend. She uses you for your stuff. She puts you in these uncomfortable situations. And honestly, I don't think you're safe around her.
Door's open.
Hey girl.
Hey!
I'm so excited about tonight. Oh, but do you think I could borrow one of your jackets? I'll give it back to you, I promise.
Sure, of course.
Okay, so what I want to know is why Chris hates me so much.
He doesn't hate you. He's worried about me, that's all.
Worried? What is there to be worried about? You're with me, come on.
Well, hello ladies. Hey, see, listen, I'm having a party tonight at my mansion. Lots of well-known people are gonna be there. Why don't you come?
No, we're good, thanks.
Yeah, don't listen to her. We'll come.
Jen, no, I'm not okay with this. We don't even know him.
Look, we'll just check it out and then leave. Plus, I'm driving, so you really don't have a choice.
Fine. So where is everyone?
Relax. They'll be here. But, in the meantime, anybody want to get turned up? I have party favors.
Oh, heck yeah. Let's party!
Jen! What are you doing?
Will you relax for once? Just live a little.
You know what? I'm out.
Wait. Look, I'm sorry, okay? No more drugs.
I just don't feel comfortable. I'm going home.
Please don't leave. I don't want to be alone. Just one more drink and then we'll leave, okay?
Okay. One more drink.
Hey Darman fam, I hope you loved that video. So you see, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos, you're helping to change lives too. I appreciate you and I'll see you in the next video.